Let's compare the fractions 1/6 and 1/2, and we are trying to figure out which fraction is bigger than the other. Remember that you always start with one whole with a fraction, and then it's getting split up, and then you're getting part of that. Let me make this a little smaller. There we go. Look at those numerators and denominators. What is the same about these two fractions? The numerator is the same. And remember, the numerator is how many pieces you get. So let's say this is a cake. You're going to get one piece of this cake. And then on the right, you have to use the same cake. You're going to get one piece of that one too. By same cake, I just mean it's the same size to start out with. Okay? Now, what is different about these two fractions? The denominator. One of these cakes is going to be split into 6, and the other one is going to be split into 2. The denominator tells you how many pieces that cake gets split into. So before I show you, I want you to make a prediction which cake is going to have bigger pieces, because you are getting one piece either way. So you need to pick the cake that's going to have bigger pieces. If you split the cake into 6 equal pieces, are those pieces going to be big or small? If you split a cake into 2 equal pieces, are those pieces going to be big or small? Let's take a look. This is what the 6ths looks like. And this is what the halves look like. Cake cut in half on the right, cake cut into 6 on the left. How many pieces are you getting? Well, the numerator says 1, so you're going to get 1 piece over there and 1 piece over here. This is what these fractions look like. This is 1/6 versus 1/2. Which one is bigger? The one on the right is bigger. 1/2 is greater than 1/6. So greater than, less than. We're going to draw this symbol so that the mouth, it's like an alligator, is eating the bigger fraction, which means we draw it like this. And we say this as 1/6 is less than 1/2. So I want you to remember for next time, if the numerators are the same, you don't even have to think about them. You're just going to look at the denominators. Are you going to pick a big denominator or a small denominator if you want a big piece of cake? Small denominator is always better if you want a big piece of cake, and the numerators are always the same.